Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 7, and the name of the, that is chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is triangle and its properties. So yesterday we were proceeding question that exercise 6.3 question number 2 first part we have completed. So we will start with the second part of question number 2. So question number 2 part second, and the diagram is given there. One triangle is given like this, in which some of the angles have been given. Now this is 80 degree and this is y, this is x, and one more angle is there, that is given 50 degree. So we have to find the value of y and x. So y will be equals to 80 degree. We have to write the reason for that: vertically opposite angles. These two angles are vertically opposite and angles will be equal. And now we can write x plus y plus 50 degree is equals to 180 degree. Again we have to write the reason for that, and reason will be angle sum property of triangle. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. How many angles are there? 3, x, y and 50 of this triangle. So their sum will be 180. So we have already calculated the value of y. So we will substitute that, that is 80 degree plus 50 degree is equals to 180 degree. So x plus 130 degree is equals to 180 degree. So from here, this is the simple equation. So we are supposed to find the value of the unknown number, that is the variable. So for that we are supposed to transfer all the constant term from the left hand side to the right hand side. So 180 degree, and this will become minus, and we get the value of x, that is 50 degree. So like this we are supposed to proceed such type of questions. After this part we will take the next part, that is the third part of this question. In third part, again the diagram is given. In this, the diagram is like that. Some of the angles are given: 60 degree, 50 degree and y and x. 60 degree, 50 degree, y and x. So first of all we will find y. So we can write y plus 50 degree plus 60 degree is equals to 180 degrees. Y plus 60 degree plus 50 degree means sum of the angles of a triangle. So that is 180, angle sum property. Of triangles. So from here we can write y plus 110 degree is equals to 180 degree. Again we got the simple equation. So now we are supposed to solve for y. So 180 degree, and that will become minus 110 degree, and we get y is equals to 70 degree. So we got the value of y. Now we have to find the value of x. So we can write x plus y is equals to 180 degrees, x and y. these are linear pair angles. And out of this x and y we got the value of y. Value of y is 70 degree, that is 180 degree. Again we got the simple equation. Now we will solve for x, that is 180 degree, and that will become minus, and the value of x will be 110 degrees. Like this we are supposed to proceed the questions of this exercise. Now we will see the next parts. 3 more parts are there in this question. So next part, the diagram is the different one. That is part 4th. Such type of diagram is given, and x, y 60 and 30. This angle is given 60 degree, and that is given 30 degree, and that is x, and that is y. So we have to find the value of x and y. X can be equals to 60 degree, y vertically opposite angles. These are vertically opposite angles. Now in the triangle we can write x plus y plus 30 degree is equals to 180 degree. So from there x plus y plus 30 is equals to 180 degree. X plus y plus 30 means the sum of the angles of a triangle, that is angle sum property. Of triangles. So from here we got the value of x, that is 60 degree plus y plus 30 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now this becomes y plus 60 plus 30, 90 degree is equals to 180 degrees. From here we got y is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree, and y is equals to 90 degree is the answer. After this we are having the next question, that is part 5th. In 5th part the diagram is given like this, in which the base angles are same. These are the base angle, that is x, and that is given y, and one more angle is given, that is 90 degree. So from here we can easily say y is equals to 90 degree. Again we have to write the reason for that. Y is vertically opposite to 90. So vertically opposite angles. Afterwards the sum of the angles of a triangle, that is x plus y is equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangles, as we have repeated many times, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we got the value of y already, x plus x, that is 2x plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degrees. From here we got 2x is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree, 2x is equals to 90 degree and x will be equals to 90 degree upon 2 and x will be equals to 45 degrees. That is the answer, and the name of this triangle will be isosceles because the base angles are equal. If base angles are equal, then sides will also be equal, and the name of the triangle will be isosceles triangle. After that, the last part is there that you are supposed to solve by yourself. I hope that you have understood how to proceed such type of questions. So you are, first of all, you are supposed to repeat the questions which we have done today during this video, and afterwards you are supposed to try the last part of this question. At the same time, this exercise will be over, and in the next video we will proceed the next exercise. And after completing the work, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Or if you are facing any kind of problem, or if you are having any kind of doubt, then you can message us, or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubts, or if it is required, then we will include your doubts in the next video. Thank you very much.